This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, market, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old gold, daily and your weekly chart. Now, you can see right here, we put in the topping tail right here, and this candle here was 2022, okay? Then we retested it here with 2019. That's a double top right there, and with the lower high, and she came right on down. Now, if you look at where it came, it got all the way down here through the 200, through the 100-day, and then it rested right here on the old 50-day. Now she is rallying back up here. So let's take a look at where it needs to go. Now, what we do is we want to follow these candles here. So what do we have for a high today? We had 1991. Then we want to come up to this candle here. You're looking at 2000. Right here, you're looking at 2011. And then we have 2017. Then you have your 2019. Now, again, if you can get above that, then what we look at here is we look at right here, this 2022. And then if we can get above that, then we just follow these candles all the way up here for a possible retest of 2085. The key is this 2019 is closing above, not intraday, closing above that and closing above this key 2022. So when you look on a weekly here, a lot easier to see here. Okay, when it's sold off here, always watch the 200-day. That's always going to be very, very key support level. Came right down, held it, rallied right on up. Now the question is, what is it going to do at this level here of 2022? If it can bust up here above that candle, then we can just retest until hopefully 2085. Now let's just take a look at the downside here. Well, you really need to hold this 21-day. Okay, that's going to be crucial. 1981. Now, if that's lost here, you can come all the way down to this 1963, and then you have your big retest area right there at 1948 here, which lines up very, very nicely here with your 21-day, your 8 SMA here, and your 50 SMA here on your weekly chart. All the support levels right there, okay? Just like it was here, and just like this 200-day was, came right on down and then rallied right on up here. See, this is why you trade the charts. But never just trade off of one chart. If you're looking for a longer term, use a daily, weekly, and a monthly. If you're scalping, use a tick, a 1 to 5. You want to take the trade out a little bit, 15, 30 minute, and it's always good to look at a 1 and 4 hour chart if you're doing like a swing trade. Okay, so bottom line here, watch this key 21 SMA here. If that's lost here, watch this 8 SMA here. It looks like it's flattening out. It might want to reverse right back up here. If not, you're going to come all the way down and retest this basically 1950 area. If this can crack back up here, then you want to watch the 2019, and then we also want to watch that 2022, which is this candle right there. Now, here on your RSI here, plenty of room to run to the upside here. Your MACD here, well, you had a little embarrassing, but it looks like he wants to try to curl up here. If that green gets above the red, it'll push that price right up there nicely. All right, let's take a look here at silver. Okay, here we have silver. Now, basically, what do we have here? Okay, you came up with a high here. What is that? Let me see here. 25.46 here. We had 25.42, double top, came right on down very, very nicely. Now, you're holding support here pretty good here, okay? Because when you look at these candles here, you're basically here, what you're doing is you're looking here at the 2087 here, which held this 1994. You never even came down and just retested it, okay? So now what you do is you rally right on up here. You look at this candle here. It just couldn't basically get through this resistance area right there. Made a lower low and came all the way down. Now she's looking up. So you have to watch this price jet, okay? That's 23.88. That's going to be very, very key level. If you can get above that, then we look to the top of this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 24.05. And then we come up here and we're looking at this big retest up here on this candle right there. You're looking at 25.42. Okay, so that's what you want to look at. If you can get all above all that, then we have a nice 26.43. That is going to be your target. So when you look on a weekly chart, might be a little bit easier to see here, okay? So the key level here is holding these SMAs. You're looking at 23.45 here. Everything is jammed right on up here, right in that same area here, okay? So if you look at the 23.50 mark here, if that's lost, you can come down here to your 22.85 here, but you're right there in that area. If you can rally up here, you're looking at this 25.47, very, very key. Then we come up to the top of this candle here. You're looking at that 26.43, which is this level here. And then above that, we're looking at that 27.49. On the downside, you just really, really need to hold that price channel. Okay, that's going to be key at that 23.80. If not, you're going to come right down to this 23.39 level. That is your 200-day and your 100-day. And then you can come down to this 23 level here. But you can see how everything is just jammed right on up here, where silver looks like it wants to just go higher here. The key is closing above that price channel. Then we know the layers, which we can go up. Your target 26.43, your target 27.49. Now, your RSI here, you got plenty of room to run here. Your MACD, you got a nice bullish cross, actually better than what you had on gold. So this is just a setup here pretty good here to go higher here. The key is going to be a close above that price channel. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thanks for watching.